Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to 365 Web X. Joe here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to, sorry for that, how to fix this problem where you're trying to, in Premiere Pro, where you're trying to bring in a video, but it's not. Into your timeline, but it's not working, and instead it's only the audio that is working. So there are a whole lot of videos out there, or there are lots of tutorials out there trying to diagnose this, and some will say open your video in another sequence and then you copy it and bring it down here. I would say that is bullshit. Yes, that is bullshit, because if you don't know how stuff works, then you take your time and do your findings and do your research, okay? And then before you come to this conclusion of having to, mislead people or make it difficult for people to get results or solutions to the problem they are facing. So right here I have this video right here, but I want to bring in this video here. Okay, I want to bring in this video. Say if I say okay, drag, only the audio comes up, and then let me just show you. You see, it's only the video that it's the audio that's there, and if I drag only the video, it still does not work. So now this is where the solution is. It's very easy. Okay, if you watch your timeline and you come down here, okay, this here is your audio, okay, and you can see, and then if you look down here, this track on this video, this of course the V means video, and A means audio. So you can see that both of these toggles here right down to this place, they are highlighted, okay, in blue, okay, and these ones, they are not, okay, and that is because as you keep adding maybe videos, it comes up. But for this to work, okay, for you to bring in a video, this has to be highlighted in blue also. So if you click down here and I drag the video, you can see it's right there. Okay, all right, even though it's not matching the sequence, this means it's not matching the sequence right here, but this is it. Okay, so this has to be highlighted in blue. I don't know how to term it, but it has to be highlighted in blue for this to work. So if, let me take this out, and take this out, and let's say, let me click it to unhighlight it, and then I bring it, you can see it's only the video that is the audio that is coming in, and same goes for the audio. So if this is on and this is off, and I try to, you can see only the video is on and the audio is not coming with it. Okay, so that is how it works. So at times you just need to take time to see and look around to see if what might be causing the problem. So you can see right here, and if I uncheck this two and I try to bring this, then it still works. Okay, so this alone, on, you're telling Premiere Pro, hey, bring in only the audio, which is what it does. And then this off and this on, you're telling Premiere Pro bring only the video in. Okay, and when both of them are off, then you're telling Premiere Pro, well, you can bring in this, but also that, okay, I'm working on this, I don't know why they have to do that, and it still works this way. So you're saying, okay, grab both the video and the audio in. If this one now, this one is any of this off, you're telling it bring only the audio and this one. So it's either both of them are on for you to bring in your video, or maybe for some reasons I don't know why you would even want to, you know, have this on and this off. Okay, but there must be a reason why Premiere Pro left it there. Okay, so leave it on and you have your video and audio coming in together, and leave this on, then you have only the audio, or sorry, or you know, reverse in the reverse this. So that is how to fix this problem. There's no two ways about it at all. There's no two ways about it. Say that these are off and then you work. It allows you to bring in the video, or you know, both of them are on and then you're able to bring in your video. So that is how to fix this problem. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel, and see you next time in another video. Bye. Chai.